Ken Creasy, Senior Director of Technology Capabilities for J&J Supply Chain. I want to talk a little bit about digital transformation or our journey to Industry 4.0 for our supply chain. And these are kind of my takeaways as far as what we've learned. First, it's really important to have internal alignment. Oftentimes you'll find that a business, finance, procurement, quality functions, process engineering functions will all have different visions and priorities as far as what needs to be done. This often leads to disparate or even sometimes, in worst cases, competing efforts where you'll have multiple teams going after the same solutions. And you'd be better off combining these together in order to get the best solutions. The second point I wanted to make is on technological progression. In this case, during your digital transformation, you'll find that success begets success. You need to crawl before you walk. You need to walk before you run. And you need to build basic elements that need to be in place before you can go after some of the more high order type improvements. So for us, it was very much about learning how we were going to manage our data and creating what we call a digital stack for our data, from data ingestion through a common data layer where all the data is available, up to the bigger picture data analytics and big data type applications. So you needed to build those in place. And the first thing we did was to make sure that we had visibility into the data, and we were able to build from there. The next point is on vision and strategy. It's important to define the goals for the business or the plant or the value stream and get those as tight as possible as far as what are they trying to accomplish? Why do they want to go through a digital transformation, a smart manufacturing journey? And make sure that the strategy is aligned with those goals. So in one case that we had a senior VP who was very interested in the digital transformation because she knew that she needed to undergo some of this work in order to get to the best possible flow. And so a lot of the effort that we did on our smart manufacturing journey was to accomplish flow. So that was the lens that we would look through. The next point is collaboration. Now, in Industry 4.0, one of the reasons why maybe teams have not made as much progress is because it's complex. You have a lot of different subject matter experts who need to come together to form a solution. And in this case, being territorial or siloed or parochial is a killer for innovation in this space. We all own the innovation. We all need to collaborate. We need to have some humility so that we work together to come up with those best possible solutions. And then the last point in collaboration is to make sure that we partner with the best suppliers, the best thought leaders, the best academics, the best consortia like SESME, for instance, and make sure that you can learn from those best partners in this journey. Finally, resourcing often becomes an issue. A lot of these efforts become multi-year efforts, and they need to be supported over those multiple years in order to get a foothold and then to expand. Again, you build capabilities and you expand upon them. So for us, you need a consistent funding of those efforts, and you need a champion, somebody who really believes in this journey, who will help see it through and, frankly, knock down some barriers that might be in the way. That said, if you're going to undertake this journey, and it is going to be a multi-year journey, you do need to put some governance in place to do some check-ins to make sure that progress is being made and you're staying aligned to what those businesses need. So this is our lessons learned, for better or for worse, over our past 5 years in this digital journey. Thanks.